Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to first start off by thanking everyone who liked, commented, and subscribed on my last video. It really means a lot and it's really pressed me to continue to keep going. But today we will be working on refreshing my locks without taking them all out. Tomorrow is my birthday and I want my locks to look nice, but I don't want to redo all of them. And I can't redo all of them because I can't find any new locks out right now. So what we are gonna do is we're just gonna do the ones in the very front. We're not gonna mess with the ones in the back. What we will need today is a shampoo, a conditioner, a spray bottle, a wide tooth comb, and a smaller comb, and a crochet hook, and then any conditioning product you would like to use on your hair. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna first take out the front ones, and I wanna be really gentle with the front ones because I would like to reuse these ones because I don't have any more green ones. I just have a few of the darker color ones. I think they're in the color number 4. I actually think I just have color number 4 left. And I want to be able to preserve the green ones for the front because I like that little accent color. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these out. Okay, as you can see, I decided to take out 4 more a little further back. They're the pieces that I use to do the half up, half down style, so I want them to look a little nicer, and I decided I have enough locks to do it. So next what we are going to do is we are going to take the spray bottle and this wide tooth comb, and we are going to wet the hair. Oh, hold on, let me grab a towel. Okay. We're just gonna go through and spray the hair. And start at the ends. This is just a really good way to like refresh your locks without taking all of them out, because I don't want to redo all of them just yet, but I need to do them just so they look a little more presentable, because I don't like having like a bunch of buildup in the front from edge control. And these have been in for like a month now. Normally I take them out after 3 weeks, but because of quarantine, I just didn't do that this time. So we are sticking with the African Pride hair care line, and we are going to be diluting out their shampoo. Normally I would use a little more than this, but we're just going to use a really small amount for today. Just going to take it and put it in, because we're not trying to get it squeaky clean, because I'll wash my hair sometime next week. I'm going to wash my hair, and I'm going to apply the wig from the last video. I just don't have all of the things I wanted for it yet, and the same sized amount on the other side. Okay. Next we're going to go back in with the spray bottle. I'll part this into this section. You're gonna take it and then spray a bunch of water. Okay, next we are going to use the leave-in conditioner. This is also from African Pride. This smells amazing. I use this on my hair every time I do a protective style, because when I take the locks out, this cream leaves your hair feeling super duper moisturized, and it's always really soft. So we're just gonna go through, add that in each of the sections. Okay, next we're going to start parting my hair. The most important part is the one down the middle. I would also suggest you grabbing like a couple rubber bands, because we're gonna do this side second, so we're just gonna twist it and put it off to the side. So now that we're back on this side, we know that this side needs to be put in 4 sections. So since my hair is still already a bit parted, I can use that to help me out. You can use the existing parts from like the other braids to help you out. So there we go. I think that was one. So then we're gonna use some of the African Pride gel and cream. This helps your braids lay pretty flat. Just gonna do a regular 3-strand twist. Well, no, not 3-strand. I'm gonna do a braid at the top. So braid it like 4 times down, and then regular 2-strand twist the rest of the way. And this will ensure that your lock stays in place. Just do a little curl at the end. There we go. I'm gonna finish braiding the rest of my head and then we'll come back. Okay, now we have finished braiding all of the front of my hair. We are going to take our crochet hook right here and we are going to take one of the locks. I think what we're gonna do is, so you guys can see better, we're gonna take one of the blue locks first, okay? So what you're going to wanna do is, you're gonna wanna have your crochet hook closed like this. You're going to wanna slide it into your braid. Then you're gonna wanna open the lock, the latch on the crochet hook, like so. Then you are going to want to take a lock, hook it in the loop. Hold on, I can't see. Okay, hook it in the loop, close the little hook on the latch, and then you're gonna wanna pull it through. And you can take the hook out. And you wanna take the rest of the lock, open it up a bit, thread the end back through it, and pull it a bit, and then you make your lock like that, and so now it's attached. Now to conceal this part, you're going to want to take this and wrap it around really tightly. Just keep wrapping it around. then twist the end of it back. We're gonna do one more on camera. We're gonna do it on this side of my head. So, you wanna close the latch hook. You wanna thread it through your hair. You want to open the hook. Then you wanna take the end of the lock, put it on the hook. Then you want to close the latch back and pull it through. Then you're gonna take out the latch, and take out the hook and open up the end of the lock a bit. Thread the tail of the lock through, and then you're gonna pull. And you're gonna take the braid and you're gonna wrap it around the lock. The smaller the parting sections of your hair are, the easier it is when you go to wrap it around, because it's less hair trying to like pop back up. And then to secure it a bit, you can take the tail of your own braid and stick it through the lock. This will make them a little messier though, but I feel like they look more natural when they are a bit messier. And you're just gonna keep wrapping. And then boom, that's your lock. That's your lock. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final product. Okay, this is how it's looking now that we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and put it up in the style that I normally wear it in so it dries properly. Always pull those down a little bit just so there's not too much tension on that hair. Okay. Next, what we are going to do is lay the baby hairs. Well, I don't really do all that baby hair stuff. I just like making sure my hair is flat. So what I do is I like to use the Got to Be Glued in the African Pride leave-in conditioner and a bit of the gelling cream. And I like to use the tiniest bit of gelling cream like this, just so it has a nice base. Okay. Then I like to take the leave-in conditioner spray. Okay. Brush that back. And I like to take my little comb on the smaller side and comb everything down and back. The little curlies. Just make sure everything's nice and smooth. And I like using the crochet locks because there's no tension. You can put it up right away and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't feel like your hair is getting pulled out. And then you want to take the Gorilla Snot. I like the green bottle. And you just want to take a bit of that, like around this much. I just like to add it on those sides. Just brush that hair down and back. Now, if I really wanted to, I could put a lot more on, but we're not doing that today. Here we go. And then for the hair right there, we're just gonna use what's left on the brush. Push that back. Push that up in there. That lock. Pull the front ones down and you're ready to go. This is a nice $20 hairstyle that continues looking nice for around a month. I say it looks cute for a month, and then you can take out the front and redo them and everything. And if you want to get your curls to look a little nicer, just add a bit of foam. I like to use this foam right here. That will make it look nicer, and this makes them smell nice and keeps your hair moisturized. And overall, it's just a quick and easy, simple, budget-friendly hairstyle. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and tell me what your favorite natural hair protective hairstyle is. Until next time, bye everyone!